Good evening, children. Am I audible to you? Yes? Yes, children. So today's subject is EVS and our topic is more about water. Part 1. Revision. Children, I'm going to revise this lesson. We have already completed the portion. So please keep your workbooks. I think you might have completed your notes. So keep your workbooks with you. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Shortly, I'll explain you and then we'll do some part of revision, okay? Children, today we will be doing this lesson more about water. Standard 3rd subject EVS, more about water. Children, this lesson is also related to water. In lesson number 8 and 9, we have described about water as water is very important part of our environment, isn't it? As we are living in the world where we need food to eat and air to breathe, and we need water to drink. Can we live without water? No, we need water to drink. So we come to know water is very important for our life. So that is why we are learning in this lesson about water. Now let us see what we have learned in lesson 8 and 9. In lesson 8, we saw our need for water, right? This is revision part. We saw our need for water. Yes, water. Now we saw water is used for drinking, cooking, for cleaning, for bathing, and water is also required for farming, yes, and agriculture, and water is also required in industries as well as, yes, along with this, animals also require water. So we can understand our need for water is very, very important. So we cannot live without water. Let us see what we saw in the lesson 9. Where does this water comes from, children? Yes. Yes, in this lesson we have learned about, yes, sources of water, right? We talked about sources of water. Water in a well, you can see. Boy is drinking water, right? Water is in a glass. You can see it is well water, right? He is drinking well water. And you can see a hand pump, right? And we also saw, yes, the main source of water is, you can see the girl is watering the plants, but the main source of water is rain. Yes. From where do we get water? We get water from the rain. We also saw that we have rivers and springs. You can see rivers. Yes, springs. You have forms, right? In this previous 2 lessons, we have learned more about water, right? Now, children, in lesson number 10, more about water, let us see some interesting things about water. We will learn more about water, right? This is how the springs are formed. You can see there. Now, here we learn more about water, right? There are some qualities or properties of water. Now, let us look at a glass of water. Yes. Does this water have any color? Children, can you see? Does this water have any color? No. So, children, can you say what is the color of water? Can you say, children? Yes, water in a glass. Yes, it is. Isn't it white or is it green or is it red? Yes, does water have any kind of color? But we cannot see any particular color, right, in the glass of water. When you drink a glass of water, does the water has color? No. What it means, children? Water has no color. It's neither white, nor it's green, nor it's orange or pink. Right, children? Now you can see here, children. Now look at this girl. Children, let us look in this picture on the screen. You can see, yes, you will see some of the qualities or properties. Yes, tell me, what is the girl doing? Yes, she is smelling flower. Yes, she is enjoying the smell of flower. This shows flower is pregnant, right? Pregnant means it has got some kind of smell, good smell. Suppose if we smell water, yes, what will happen, children? Do you get any kind of smell? Yes, you can do that and see. No, we do not get any smell from water when you drink water. Yes, suppose you mix some rose water or you will mix some sharbat, right? You may like strawberry or any crush. You mix. What will happen? It will give that smell, right? Water. Now rose water. Suppose you mix rose water in water and smell it. You will get the smell of the rose. Whatever mixture you mix, you will get that smell. But water is pure, plain. Water has no smell. This is one property or quality of water. What we call it? Property or quality of water. Now, children, you know, when you smell a rose, right? Rose is pregnant. So we can get the smell of flowers. Now, if you see, suppose now he's smelling, you can see, he will get the smell. Suppose he is having a smell of rose in it. He will get the smell of rose from that glass. Okay. Now, if a woman wears a gajra, you can see she's wearing a gajra. We get fragrant smelling of flowers, right? But water has no smell. If you pick up orange, yes, and smell, we feel a typical smell. Same is with gawa. You can use your gawa, children, amrut. Yes, or you say Peru also in Marathi, right? So we come to know water has, you can see flower gives us fragrant smell, but water has no smell. So we come to know water has no color, water has no smell. This is the second quality of water. If you add something to water, what will happen, children? You will get smell of that added thing. As you are adding, suppose lemon syrup, you will get the smell of lemon. If you add rose water, you get the smell of rose. But water, which is pure, which you drink every day, has got no smell at all. Understood? Now, you can see a boy. What is he doing, children? He's eating a mango. Now let us see what the boy is eating. Yes, he's eating a mango. Yes, he's enjoying the juicy mangoes. Mango is very, very sweet fruit. Yes, we get mangoes in which season? In summer season. It is known as a summer fruit. Children, we wait for summer season to enjoy this fruit. We make what all things we make from mango? We make amras, mango ice creams, mango juices, then we make mango milkshake, mango burfis, etc. Mango is also known as king of fruits. This fruit is everyone's favorite fruit. Now, what is this, children? It is tamarind. You know, yes, children, what is this tamarind? Or we call it imli or chinch, right? When we look at this tamarind, you can see this way tamarind you get, right? Your mouth starts watering. Yes, yes. Why? Because tamarind has got a typical taste. It has, it is sour to taste, right? But tell me, how does this water taste? Yes, water has no taste. Mango is sweet. Tamarind is how is tamarind say? Taste sour. Okay. Now let us look here. What is this chili? Yes, children, what is this here? Children, have you seen? You're taking a bite of green chili? Yes. When we eat chili, our mouth burns. So tell me, it is this green chili is spicy. Have you seen this? What is it? It is bitter gourd, right? Or karela. Suppose we eat a piece of bitter gourd or karela. What happens, children? We will like to drink plenty of water. Why? Because bitter gourd is very bitter in taste. Yes. Some children, we don't like this taste, but it is good for health. Children, have you ever tasted water? Yes. Okay, just taste and see. Water has no taste at all. Yes, water has no taste. So some characteristics of water are, yes, water has no smell. These are characteristics of water. When you smell water, you don't get any smell. Water has no taste. Water has no color. Pure water has no color. So we can say water is colorless. Water has no color. It is tasteless, means water has no taste and water has no smell. Children, you know water. Yes, one more color. You can see water is transparent. Now we will see one more quality of water. Yes, or property of water. We will see how is water. Yes, you can say water is transparent. Yes, children, what do you mean by transparent? Yes, transparent means you can see through water. If you look in a glass of water, you can see in it. Here you can see a bulb is burning, right? And the glass is kept in the middle. You can see there, right? But we can see the light of the bulb, which is shown in yellow. Yes, yellow color. This light passes through this glass. If you will be standing on this side, right? On the side, we will be able to see bulb. You can see right or not on this side. So we can understand that glass is transparent. If you see on the other side, you can see. Okay. In the same way, we can say water is also transparent. Okay, you can see, children. Here you can see when you have poured. Yeah, yes, this is also a property or quality of water. Now tell us, water is transparent. Here you can see a glass full of water, right? And a strawberry is dropped. You can see what is dropped in the water? Strawberry, right? You can see which color is strawberry? Red. Now we saw your glass is transparent and the water is also transparent. You can see through the glass or not. And what is there in the glass you can see. Yes, we are able to see the strawberry inside the glass of water, isn't it? So that means water has got one more property, that is water is, yes, what is that property, children? Or quality, whatever it is, water is transparent. What is water? Transparent. You should remember the spelling of transparent. What is spelling? Transparent. 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 Okay. And that is water is transparent, or this is quality of water. Children, quality means what? Okay, let's see. If you touch a cat, now you see your children. If you touch a cat, the skin of the cat is How is the skin of the cat? So you can see the skin of the cat is very soft. Its fur is very soft. Whereas if we pick up a stone, okay, now if you have picked up the stone and touch it, we feel it hard. Yes. So the quality of fur of the skin is soft, right? Whereas the stone is hard, right? Now here, these are some of the characteristics we are seeing there. There we are seeing characteristics of water. Now, water has, what has children? Water has no smell. Water has no taste. Water has no color. One more quality of water or characteristic is water is, now we have learned. Yes, we are able to see that is water is transparent. So in this lesson, we will be learning more about water. Okay. Now let us see what do we mean by transparent. Transparent means if we can see through a substance. Yes, we can see through. It is said to be transparent. Like here you can see the other side of the glass. Okay. If you cannot see through a substance, it is said to be opaque. Okay. See now you can see here opaque is opposite of transparent. See, opaque is the opposite of transparent. Yes. Opaque is the opposite. Now, here you can see a boy who has held something near his, yes, you can see he has held something near his face. And this particular sheet is opaque, means we cannot see on the other side. We are not able to see his face, right? Only we can see the sheet, right? If we are able to see through it, it would be it would call be as a transparent. Now, if is water transparent or opaque? Yes, children, tell me, is water opaque or transparent? Yes, water is transparent. Children, we have seen what is transparent and what is opaque. Here you can see two children. Yes, they are standing near a wooden door. One side you can see boy and girl standing behind the door, right? Wooden door, right? We cannot see them properly. Yes. Are their legs seen properly? No. One leg is behind the wooden door. We cannot see their legs. But then in the next picture where it's showing that it is transparent, like it is a glass, right? And we can see their both legs. Yes, we can see or not? Yes, you can see their legs, which is hidden behind you. But in the wooden door, which are the one side of the leg which is hidden, we are not able to see, right? Transparent means light passes through anything. Is called transparent. When light does not pass through some things, yes, like wooden door, we cannot see anything, right? So from this quality or characteristics, we have understood meaning of transparent and opaque. Here you can see some objects. Yes, you can see glasses. Yes, you can see glasses transparent. Okay. You can see how it allows the light to pass through. All light passes through it. You can see it is transparent. Yes. Whereas opaque means when you have kept something in between, you cannot see the light passing through it, right? Here you can see in this, the light can pass through it, right? As glass is transparent, you know that. Here some substance are given here, children. Yes. Now sand falling with the help of glass. You can see it, right? We can see outside world with the specs. When you are using your specs, you can see the outside world. Seeing glass through glass, you can see, right? Magnifying glass is shown. If you look through it, you can see the other side through the window. all these things allow the light to pass. Okay, all the objects, they allow light to pass. These are some of the examples you can see, right? They allow the light to pass through them. Okay, and they are said to be transparent. Now, children, you can see we saw water is transparent. So from this we can say these are some of the qualities or characteristics or properties of water. Strawberry, you can see water is transparent. So you can see the strawberry, right? On the other side. Now let us check the picture of pure water, right? Now water has no color. Pure water has no color. Pure water has, yes, children, no smell. Pure water has no taste. So pure water is transparent. Now, children, children, here we use strawberry to show water is transparent. Okay. Now let us now learn more quality of water. Children, now this is a mug, right? We will see shape of water. Suppose, does water have any shape? If you pour water in a mug, try this experiment. Take a mug filled with water. You fill it with water and a bucket filled with water. You can fill a bucket also with water. Yes. Look at the shape of water in a mug and shape of water in a bucket. Yes. And now we will understand. Yes, what we understand that we can understand the difference. Yes, you can understand or not. According to the shape of the container, the water changes its shape. Now look at this, children. What is this? Yes, what is this, children? This is flour, right? Flour. Now it can be wheat flour, it can be rice flour or atta. Compare it with water. When we compare this with water, yes, or shape of these two things, we are able to understand the difference in the shape of flow, right? And shape of water on a plate. You can see the flour on the plate, right? Shape of a floor, right? Children, the shape of the plate is flat, right? Look at this shape of a flower. It is like a mount. Yes, this is like a mount, like a small heap. And look at the shape of a flower on a plate. Okay. And look at the shape in a glass. Okay. Now you can see. Now, if you have poured in a glass, you can look at a plate of a glass also. Now, it is a form of heap. Like, now let us take water in a plate. Now we have taken water in a plate, right? And a plate is flat. You can see how the plate is. It is flat. When we pour water in plate, yes, it will become flat. Yes, how it will become? It will become flat. Yes, so from this we can understand about shape of water. Here in this picture, water is poured into a glass, right? We can understand the difference. Water in a plate, yes, was like a sleeping. It is like a sleeping line. And the water in a glass is like a standing line. From this, we can understand water has got no shape. Okay. Yes, here they have given containers of different shape where water takes shape. You can say water takes the shape of the container. Okay. Where water takes the shape of the container. According to shape of container, this means water does not have any shape of its own. Okay. Children, when we spill water on the ground, yes, you can see it spreads on the ground and spreads all around. This tells us that water spreads on the ground. You see how the water spreads in places where you spill it. Children, now you know water slides on a slopes. You can see here. Here you can see an interesting image where you have been to a water park. Sometimes you might have visited a water park for the picnics and all. Yes. They're on slides like this. They may put you on a water boat up. And this boat comes flying down because boat flows along with the water. Yes. And we can see how water is flowing from top to the bottom. Okay, children. We have learned some more things about water. Yes, it takes we have learned previously more things. Now we have learned some more things that it takes the shape of its container. The shape, according to the shape you pour, it is glass, bucket, or your test tube, anything. So it takes the shape of that container and it spreads on a flat surface. You saw how it spreads on a plate, sleeping, lying, standing, like how. Okay. Then we saw yes, on the slides, it flows down a slope. So in today's part of this lesson, we have talked about water and its qualities. We also saw water does not have any smell. Water does not have any taste. Water does not have any color. Water is transparent. Okay. And next, we saw water, it takes the shape of the container. It spreads on a flat surface and water flows down a slope. Okay, children? Children, now we'll revise some of the questions. You can open your textbooks. Sorry, you can open your workbooks. Yes. Lesson number 10. Okay. Workbook page number 67. Open, children. Yes, open your workbook page number 67. Pure water, fill in the blanks. Question 1, fill in the blanks. Yes. First one. Dash water has no color, smell or taste. Pure water. Which water, children? Pure water. Repeat 2 times. Pure water has no color, smell or taste. Water is transparent. Water is transparent. Transparent spelling, children. Transparent. Repeat. Transparent. Third one, water does not have a shape of its own. Does water, we have learned this, children, now? Does water have a shape of its own? No. Water does not have a shape of its own. Spelling of shape, S-H-A-P-E, shape. Now this fourth one we'll learn tomorrow. We'll revise that part tomorrow. Okay. Now see, question number 8. Circle the correct words. Okay. Question number 8. Water sticks or flows down a slope. Yes, children. Water sticks or flows down. Water flows down. Water flows down. Okay. Now, number 9 question. You can see in your workbook, children. We can see the bottom of a pool of water only if the water is clean. Why? Yes, children. Clean water is transparent. Ninth answer. Clean water is transparent. and we can see through it. So we can see the bottom of the pool of water. Yes, if the water is clean. Clean water is transparent and we can see through it. So we can see the bottom of the pool of water if the water is clean. Okay. Now, yes, you can see the true or false. Okay. Water is transparent. Yes. Yes. Water is transparent. Is it true or false? True. Water is transparent. Pure water looks bluish in color. False. Because it looks like whitish. It is colorless. Okay. So water false it will be. Pure water looks bluish in color. False. Because water does not have any color. When water is heated, that we'll see tomorrow. Now, see other questions. Okay. Now see. Now you can see question number 18. Yes. We can see through a window because it is opaque or transparent. Yes, we can see through a window because it is transparent. Okay. The cover page of your book, your textbook is opaque or transparent. Circle the, we have to circle the correct word. So opaque. Okay. Because we cannot see opaque it is. The cover book of your textbook is opaque. Okay. Now we can see a nail that has sunk in the bottom of the water. Yes. Why, children? Question number 20. Water is a transparent substance. Yes. Water is a transparent substance. So we can see through it. So we can see through it. Thus we can see the nail that has sunk to the bottom of the water. Repeat. Water is transparent substance. So we can see through it. That thus we can see the nail that has sunk to the bottom of the water. Is it clear, children? Okay, other questions we'll see tomorrow. Any doubts? No doubts, children. So children, start revising your lessons, okay? Because exams are nearby, you should revise. I'll ask you some questions. Name any one quality of water or characteristics of water. Sartaki, what doubt you have? Put your message. Very good. How is the taste of the mango? How is the taste of bitter gourd? Taste of tamarind? Does water have color of its own? Yes or no? The cover page of the textbook is opaque or transparent? The cover page of the opaque book is opaque or transparent? Water is dash. You can see question number. Okay, children, bye. See you all tomorrow. The other part of the lesson I'll explain you tomorrow. Okay, bye, children.